Hey, I hope all of you are having a great evening and ready for fall break, because I'm excited. We all need a breakaway. But here's your video for tonight. We're talking about 3.3 now, and what it is, we're talking about the converse of everything. So we can't just say lines are parallel. We're proving that lines are parallel, and there are 4 ways to do that. The first one is the converse of corresponding angles. All of you are familiar with how to recognize corresponding angles, but now you have to be able to say that these angles are corresponding, therefore the lines are parallel. So if 2 lines in a transversal form corresponding angles that are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So now, if I say 2 and 6 are congruent, I can say that line L and M are parallel. Okay? We'll move to the next one. It's the converse of the alternate interior angles theorem. It's the same thing. If 2 lines in a transversal form alternate interior angles that are congruent, then the 2 lines are parallel. So if I can say 4 and 6 are parallel, or if I can prove 4 and 6 are parallel by proving that x equals or the angles equal, I can say since angle 4 is congruent to angle 6, then line L and M are also parallel. Okay? Next, we're talking about the converse of the same side interior angle postulate. Same thing, if 2 lines in a transversal form same side interior angles that are supplementary, and the 2 lines are parallel. So if I can say 3 and 5 add up to be 180, then I can also say that line L and M are parallel. And it's only if 3 and 5 equal 180. If they equal 181 or 190 or 200, these 2 lines would not be parallel. So you couldn't say that they are. And then finally, the converse of the alternate exterior angle theorem. If 2 lines in a transversal form alternate exterior angles that are congruent, then the 2 lines are parallel. So if I can say 1 and 8 are congruent, then line L and M are parallel. So what I want you to do is I want you to kind of look at this, study it, write your notes, and we will check it tomorrow in class. Excuse me. Check it tomorrow in class. And there might be a little mini quiz to kind of check you for it. I haven't decided yet, but be ready to use these notes on your note quiz on Thursday. You're going to need them, and I'm hoping that this helps. Just remember that it's kind of the converse now. And in chapter 2, when we talked about conditionals, converse, inverse, and contrapositives, the converse switched it now. So we're taking it and saying, okay, these lines are parallel, so these angles are equal. Now we're proving that these angles are equal or supplementary to tell these 2 lines are parallel. And I'm hoping it's not too confusing and that you're still able to look at it and be able to determine it. We're going to be writing a little bit more proofs now. And that's what we're going to be focusing on the rest of the week, is writing proofs. But I want you to be able to recognize these in order to tell these 2 lines are parallel. So enjoy your evening, and I will see you tomorrow.